To download our app, go to the Android Play Store and search for TransFollow. You've managed to install it. Great! Open the app and log in. Your supply chain partner will ask you to create a TransFollow account. Make sure to share your contact details with your supply chain partners. Here you can find all your assigned ECMRs. Select a quick filter for an overview of freight documents by status, or search for a specific freight document. Tap on a specific freight document to view its details, such as agreements and driver instructions, collection and delivery information, and RTI. It is very easy to add a comment or attachment to your freight document. Just click here. Type your comment and mark its importance. Choose Additional Information or tap the paperclip to upload your photo or another attachment. When asked to show your national or international freight documents at border control, go to More Options and tap Share PDF. Let the authorities scan the QR code. Tap the arrow at the top left to close this screen. TransFollow supports both international as well as national consignment notes. Signing freight documents through the app is easy, fast, and safe. Tap Sign Document. For the safest signing option, choose TransFollow Approval. Now the other party can tap its sign icon to enable scanning of your QR code. Click Next and scan the other party's QR code. Check the details and you're all set. After signing, the freight document status will change from issued to in transit to delivered. TransFollow also offers sign-on glass and sign for own approval options, and instant multiple freight document signage. Now you know how to easily sign freight documents in the TransFollow app. Discover more useful features in our other instruction videos. TransFollow, the standard for the ECMR.